Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add watermark in Excel. So, to add watermark in Excel, first of all go in View tab and select Page Layout. Then go in Insert tab and click on Header and Footer. From here, go in Picture and select the picture where you have saved it. Suppose I have logo of my channel, How to Tech, and here the code will appear. Click in the start of it and enter to get the picture right in the middle of the page. And if you will click anywhere on the sheet, you can see the watermark is added here, but its size is too small. So I will again go in Insert tab and Header and Footer, and here you can see the format picture. Click on this and increase its size. So I am increasing it to 300. I will also go in Picture and so I will select Grayscale and click on OK. And now you can see the watermark is added. So this is how you can add watermark in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.